Take the pressure off. Do you not know that in a race all the runners run, but only one gets the prize? Run in such a way as to get the prize. 1 Corinthians 9:24. There's so much pressure on people to perform these days. Research shows that the largest increase in anxiety has been among young people. Especially with social media, there's the constant pressure to compare. Am I good enough? Pretty enough? Funny enough? Do I have enough followers? Am I popular? If you fall into that trap, you'll never feel good about yourself because you'll always see someone who seems more talented, more beautiful, more successful. There will be the pressure to outperform, outdress, have more friends, more talents, more compliments. That's a never-ending cycle that will wear you out, take your joy and peace, and cause you to miss becoming who you were created to be. Take the pressure off yourself. That's what's causing the anxiety. You don't have to keep up. You're not competing with them. Run your race. Be who God made you to be. Others can't do what you can do. They don't have your gifts and talents. They don't have your beauty. You're a masterpiece. You're made in the image of God. Nobody can beat you at being you.